Back at it again, folks, right here at Brooks Landscaping. As you can see, in an exceptional fashion, what we've done for this customer is give them back over 250 square feet of their outdoor living space by being able to deal with an area that always stayed wet, but more importantly, didn't get a lot of sunlight. So by being able to come in with this three-piece trim-run Sierra Blend Stonehurst paver, it allowed for this customer to be able to utilize a space for outdoor entertainment in order to be able to accommodate friends, family, and guests like never before. Unfortunately, based on the way that this landscape was graded, they had a lot of water that was moving in on their landscape, so I came up with a design that allowed for me to be able to bring in our beautiful decorative gravel along with our river rock in order to protect the foundation of this landscape, but then also come back with this 250 square feet custom paver patio installation that allowed for us to be able to give the customer an outdoor living space that they're going to be able to utilize for a lifetime. Now, we initially came in over a year ago and put in these beautiful custom Rubik stone edging along with the decorative gravel, but we kept that same design feature by being able to utilize that same decorative gravel and Rubik stone in order to border this custom 250 square feet paver patio installation. So when you see what we were able to do on this landscape, it really does show you why we become one of the highest rated landscaping companies around, because we're focused on always giving our customers more quality, more quantity than that of what they could have ever expected. And on this landscape, we did exactly that. We gave them all of what they were looking for and more by being able to come up with this beautiful custom design that allowed them to be able to take on their outdoor living conditions while also being able to enhance their landscape. Now, we also built this 10 by 10 beautiful decorative design that you see here, and in this case we brought in the beautiful decorative river rock along with our Rubik stone in order to go with what we already had created for the customer. But it was really our ability to take this 10 by 10 area that really wasn't getting a lot of sunlight either and was also seeing a little bit more water than it needed to, by being able to focus on this 10 by 10 custom design that allowed for us to not only be able to use our beautiful custom Rubik stone, but also be able to come back with our three-piece Sierra Blend trim run pavers. Gave this customer a way to be able to utilize a lot of the space that was possibly being used here is now going to be able to be used here. A great space that they're going to be able to utilize for their grill, but then also for their outdoor sitting and or their outdoor entertainment. I can see something like a fire pit going here. I can see a bird bath going there. A lot of this was also a design that the customer had in mind. So it does speak to the thought that if you have something in mind, we're able to build it. No matter what it is, we're going to do exactly what we say we do right here at Brooks Landscaping, and that's turn dreams into reality and make dirt look good. And that's exactly what we did on this landscape with this entire outdoor landscape transformation that truly enhanced this customer's outdoor living, and it's going to do so for a lifetime, guys. These are not just one-time installations that you come back and do again. No, you do them just one time and you never have to worry about them again. And that's why we love working with our interlocking pavers, such as what you see here with this three-piece trim run Sierra Blend paver. It went beautiful with the home, but it also was able to be accented with the beautiful decorative gravel, and we kept the same theme that we created over a year and a half ago with this beautiful Rubik stone. And so when you talk about outdoor entertainment in an $800,000 neighborhood, if you're in the Bentwater, Seven Hills area, Paulding County, or anywhere in between, it does say that we're able to help you with your outdoor living experience and do so in the most effective manner. And that's exactly what we did right here on this landscape, brought to you exclusively by the professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping, where we make dirt look good like you never thought we could.